Hi, my name is Spencer. I'm at Prime Motor Cars Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. To my left, the vehicle we talked about, the 2014 ML 350. I understand you are in the UK, we are in the United States. Quite a little bit of a gap there, so we figured the video tour would give you a more personal look at the vehicle. It's a black exterior, we have a nice light beige interior, no major damage, big dents or really big scratches on the vehicle. Lots of nice options included the updated and upgraded headlight systems, radar guided cruise control, which is housed right in this Mercedes-Benz Star right there, chrome work along the front bumpers, little fog lights down on the bottom. Coming around the side, we have Mercedes-Benz wheels, nice running boards, chrome along the window frame and the door handles. As we come around to the rear, we have these wraparound LED tail lights, ML 350 and 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch down on the bottom. A lot of great options. Figure we give you a little video tour of the outside. Let's take a closer look at the inside. Inside the ML, we can take a closer look at the interior. It's a beautiful combination of this light beige and this dark brown interior. A lot of great options. I'll go over everything in the vehicle, all the buttons and switches. So we have power seats here for the driver and passenger, all of our window controls, automatic lights on the left. Behind the steering wheel, our gear shifter here, so this button puts it in park, this button puts it in drive, this button puts it into reverse, and that's where our backup camera comes up. Automatic wipers on the left, cruise control down below. We do have a full telescoping steering wheel as well. We can change through our trip and different options on the left side, voice, phone, and volume control on the right side of the steering wheel. Keyless entry, so we do have that start-stop button right there. On our center screen, we have our radio, navigation, telephone shortcuts. This is where our nav system is displayed. Heated seats, dual zone climate control, and then this little quick click wheel is how you're going to navigate through the different options. So your different shortcuts, you can click and navigate through that screen using that button right there. Inside we do have a phone plug-in, a USB plug, and up top our sunroof up here lets in light, nice piece to have, especially on a warmer day. Harman Kardon surround sound system, blind spot monitoring systems, a nice set of options in this vehicle. So again, wanted to do a little video tour. I know you are quite a ways away, giving you a more detailed look at this vehicle. If you have any questions, 207-210-4796, that's my cell phone. My email is sroe, that's SROE, @driveprime.com. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.